The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Wagwan my people, Dancehall skilla here again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened during an armed robbery of a store that is located within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video also shows a date, viewers and subscribers, and the video is said to be a surveillance footage. I cannot confirm if the date on the surveillance video footage is accurate or not. No, I cannot. However, I'm going to give you information that I got about the whole situation. Now, according to information that I got about the armed robbery, it is said that a man entered a store that is located within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago with a gun. And it is said that the man demanded money from a worker at the business establishment. It is said that the robber made off with an undetermined sum of cash and at least one cellular phone. It is said that the police had been alerted about the situation. I did not get any confirmed information if the robber had been apprehended. I did not get any confirmed information if the robber was the only person who was involved in the robbery. But for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows some things that happened during an armed robbery of a store that is located within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video also shows a man holding an object that is said to be a gun. This video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. Now, one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and you, my viewers and subscribers, can also let me know what you think about some of the things that you're about to see in this video. Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe. Alright, now I got information that no one got hurt during the armed robbery of the store that is located within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, and I also got unconfirmed information about the incident. However, you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know. See? And you can also ask me certain questions about the whole situation as well, and I will answer you if I can. Alright, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so please bear in mind that there are more details about this whole situation as well. And I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Alright?
I see no life. I stand firm in a circumstances as you pray.
Now, after a musician who goes by the name of Rygin King had been injured as a result of a gun attack that happened within the country of Jamaica more than a year ago, quite a number of persons on social media wondered if Rygin King was paralyzed. Quite a number of persons on social media also asked the question if Rygin King will walk again. So me as a viewers, subscribers, and on a real, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that the dancehall artist Rygin King is on a long journey back to recovery after a savage gun attack. And the news article also said that Rygin King said that I know I will walk again. You see me as a people? Now, I think that I talked about this whole situation some time ago in the viewers and subscribers, you understand me? And it's really sad to hear what Rygin King I got through. But anyways, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person talking about Rygin King. And in my point of view, I think that this person have a good understanding of what it feels like when it comes on to being the type of person who is not able to walk. You understand? I think so. So I want you to look and listen to this video, viewers and subscribers, and tell me what you think. Alright? Observe.
Alright. Morning, everyone. Everybody knows that Rygin King did get shot 2 years ago. And there was a rumor saying that he was paralyzed, right?
Okay.
And it confirmed now saying paralyzed. 2 years ago. The man could have killed himself, or the man could have just think some things and just say, no, I'm not want to do this no more. But it sure we say him strong. If you do him a got you, him a got you. And alive. The time when I take oh God, this John my artist, I'm gonna pray for him. Cause it's not easy for sit down in a wheelchair. I know say you could have walk up and down. Even if you're even born this way. It don't easy either. So I gotta pray for the man. Pray for him.
Yeah.
When I wake up a morning time, if you really read the artist, say a word of prayer. And depend, oh God, I wonder if I go walk. The pity thing it not gonna work. What that can't help him. Suggest some things to him. If he really read them, he will read them. And them things that put some positive light on the energy man. Oh God, what else to do? Whether you're born with a disability or not, it's hard enough. The pity not gonna work. The pity I gotta just make the person feel sorry for themselves and so this and that. That means they can't function. It's hard enough when you have a physical disability, any disability at all. It's hard. Take it from me.
Yeah, man, I think that's a good point there, so still. As I say, yes, me know say you have quite a number of people who are feel really sad. If you know say them artists are going through certain things, and yeah, we can't stop persons from taking pity on Rygin King. Yes, what I say to you, but I think this person have a good point. You know, it's like the person I say more positive words, and in my point of view, I think that she try to say that then to suggest certain things to him. You know, it basically come like an encouragement in my point of view. But John, let me tell you something, man. If you know you can walk properly, walk, go about your business and do certain things, and then you just lose your mobility just so, I don't think you're going to take that easy. I don't think a person is going to feel good to know that a person could walk and run and do certain things, and then because of certain foolishness, the person is not able to walk and run and do certain things like the person used to do or the person used to. You see me, I say, I think something like that really and truly might make a person feel away. I hope that Rygin King get a good full recovery. Yeah, I mean walk again and all them things. So me and some people. Yeah, anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself. I see you.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.